Hi friends, my name is Taylor Chu from We Craft Social. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own paint pouring set. Paint pouring is a cool technique in painting where you pour the paint out and move it around to make cool effects. Instead of buying an expensive set at the store, I'm going to show you how to make it on your own. Now that you know how to make your own paint pours, be sure to check out my other videos to see how to paint pour, the different styles you can do, and crazy cool effects. My name is Taylor Chu from We Craft Social. Thanks for checking out my video. I have other crafting and baking videos on my channel.